The food we eat every day keeps us alive, but it can also dash big health and environmental costs. So, also, we can eliminate the word also to understand the sentence. So, what grammar is here? After can, we have a blank, and after can comes first form of verb. So, we have two first forms without s, prove and incur. Now, with the noun cost, the verb that goes is we don't prove cost, we incur cost. Incur is we make expenses. And what are those costs? The after hyphen they're explaining the health costs, which are heart disease, carbon emissions, soil dash and more. So all these are negative things. So any negative thing with soil, they have given us two options: soil conservation and soil degradation. Soil conservation is positive, so we'll go with soil degradation because the other options were negative, so we also go with negative. A recent study published in Nature Food finds that small dash in the food choices Americans make could have outsized benefits to both health and planet. Now, small what in the food choices that Americans make means Americans as a whole community, not just one American makes. So we have the options: small shifts they make, small variation, only one variation. Conservation and proof doesn't go with American choices about food choices. So this answer could be based on just singular or plural because they are talking about Americans, not one American. So it cannot be just one variation. Everybody cannot make the same change in their food choices. So it can be small shifts that Americans make. Now shifts can be like somebody shifting from non-veg to vegetarian, and the vegetarian shifting from to vegan choices, or they are not they are only going to protein diet, they're only going to home cooked food. So it can be any kind of shift. So that is why it's better to go with plural option, because they are taking all the Americans. So small shifts that Americans make can benefit them.